got there?
Just a little bread.
Please tell me you're not feeding the seagulls again.
Okay.
I'm telling you, Jake, this is the last. Yikes.
Good news.
Really? Come tell me in Jake's room.
What did he do? He didn't paint anything, did he?
I want you to be surprised.
You will never guess what happened while I was at Judith's.
Neither will you.
What's your good news? Open the door! Kid got him in there, you get him out. That was not funny, Charlie.
Depends on what side of the door you were on.